There are two potential paths to solve the need for rotary, spring or clock timers suitable for hot tubs and infrared lamps that do not use the device mounting screws for cover plates. These can be addressed with a do-it-yourself homemade solution or a commercial solution. The homemade solution involves firstly buying timers that possess the needed screw holes, specifically 2 for mounting and 2 for the cover plate. Secondly, remove the cover that comes standard with the purchased timer. Thirdly, mount the timer securely within the electrical box. Fourthly, procure a standard single-gang blank cover plate. These are commonly employed to cover unused switch or receptacle boxes. Fifthly, remove one of the screws that holds the blank cover plate together. Sixthly, flip the blank cover plate over and position it over the installed timer. Seventhly, secure the cover plate to the timer using the screw removed earlier, aligning the existing holes in both the timer and the cover plate. Alternatively, a commercial solution involves purchasing Intermatic T104 time switches. These are available from suppliers like Grainger or Home Depot. These time switches are spring-wound and are designed with both mounting holes and standard switch plate mounting holes. The Intermatic T104 is rated for 1 horsepower at 120 volts alternating current. If the load is inductive, which an infrared lamp is, a different timer switch is needed. Use an Intermatic T101 rated for 15 amps or a T103 rated for 20 amps. These are also available from Grainger or Home Depot. When selecting a timer, consider the load it will handle. The hot tub requires a timer capable of handling 20 amps and 1 horsepower. The infrared lamps need a timer rated for at least 5 amps. Ensure the selected timer meets or exceeds these requirements to ensure safe and reliable operation. In the homemade approach, the key is finding a blank cover plate that matches the brass plates already installed in the home. Ensure the screw holes on the timer align with the screw holes on the blank cover plate. If necessary, modify the blank cover plate to ensure a proper fit. This might involve drilling additional holes or enlarging existing holes. Exercise caution when modifying the cover plate to avoid damaging it or creating sharp edges. When working with electricity, always prioritize safety. Turn off the power to the circuit before working on any electrical components. Use insulated tools and wear appropriate personal protective equipment. If unsure about any aspect of the installation, consult a qualified electrician. The Intermatic T104, T101, and T103 timers are designed for easy installation. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully to ensure proper wiring and operation. These timers typically have clearly marked terminals for connecting the power supply and the load. Double-check all connections to ensure they are secure and properly tightened. After installation, test the timer to ensure it is functioning correctly. Set the timer to different settings and verify that the load turns on and off as expected. If any problems arise, consult the troubleshooting section of the timer's manual or contact a qualified electrician. Consider the environmental conditions when selecting a timer. If the timer will be exposed to moisture or extreme temperatures, choose a timer specifically designed for those conditions. Some timers are rated for outdoor use and are sealed to protect against water and dust. Over time, timer contacts can wear out or become corroded. Regularly inspect the timer and replace it if any signs of damage or wear are detected. This will help ensure continued safe and reliable operation. Proper timer selection and installation are essential for ensuring the safe and efficient operation of electrical equipment. By following these guidelines and consulting with qualified professionals, one can find the right timer for the needs. Remember to always prioritize safety and consult with a qualified electrician if one has any questions or concerns. This ensures that electrical work is performed correctly and safely.